Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A British filmmaker once created a 10-hour film of paint drying. F1 driver don't sit in their cars, they lie down. February used to be the last month of the year, that's why it has the shortest number of days. Pineapple works as a natural meat tenderizer. YouTube was founded on Valentine's Day and started a dating app. Someone tried to sell New Zealand on eBay. Tim Berners-Lee is the inventor of World Wide Web. This mango, cultivated in Madhya Pradesh, cost up to 1,000 a piece. Naya Kim Gatewitch, the Queen of Darkness. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Grasshoppers have ears on their bellies. In 1983, the first mobile phones went on sale in each US at almost $4,000 each. If a man takes a pregnancy test and it comes back positive, he may have testicular cancer. Besides sucking our blood, mosquitoes urinate on our skin. All the blinking in one day equates to having your eyes closed for 30 minutes. Dairy milk was earlier suggested to be named as Dairy Maid. Rhinoceros cannot fly. Cockroaches are so repulsed by humans that if they are touched by humans, not only do they run away but also wash themselves. Kung Fu Panda was so successful in China that it caused a national debate on why Westerns made a better film on Chinese culture than the Chinese themselves. When you're happy, you enjoy the music, but when you're sad, you understand the lyrics. Spain is the only country in the world where newspaper is printed on textile material, not on paper. In 1976, a Princeton junior undergraduate wrote a term paper on how to make a nuclear bomb. The world's most extreme toilet is located in Siberia at the edge of a cliff 2,600 meters over the sea level. The smell of coffee makes women more likely to give out their phone number. There is a road in Rome built in 321 BC and is still in use today. If you walk daily, then use Steps.go to earn money while walking. The muscles of a fully grown male tiger. Cats almost never meow at another cat, they use the sound for humans. At their closest point, the US and Russia are only 3.8 km apart. Nepalese climbers removed 2.2 tons of trash from Everest while the tourists were away. Many varieties of potatoes found in Peru. Those who sleep late wake up too early are more intelligent. A 10-second kiss can transfer 80 million bacteria. Greenland and sharks don't reach puberty until they are 150 years old. Barcelona is one of the worst places to drive, with an accident occurring every 19 seconds. 15 minutes in cold can be the metabolic equivalent of an hour of exercise. Neil Armstrong hairs were sold for $3,000 in 2004. £14 billion of trash is dumped into the ocean every year. Honeybees can produce colored honey. It cost about $221 million to build Titanic and $355 million for the movie. This is known as the Beautiful Bridge to Ship. The fastest recorded raindrop was 18 mph. Woolly mammoths were still alive when the pyramids were built. Zebras are actually black with white strips. A group of whales is called a pod. 20 million Americans watch pornography annually. It is normal for your body temperature to increase during arousal. Thanks for watching.